Testing. Oh yes, I'm on. Good morning, citizens. Today I would like to talk to you about the crime in Jamaica. Why is there so much crime and murder in the island? Have you ever stopped to think why all of this is happening? The country is the murder production state of the world. It would seem that we love to kill each other, and I don't like what is happening here on the island. Okay, um, don't get me wrong. As an outsider, it might not be none of my business, but the island is beautiful, the people are wonderful. So why is it that Jamaicans were so known for everything that is good and wonderful, they are killing each other? I keep hearing about the crime on women and children, but the majority of people being killed on the island are men. You know, this is just simple. Imagine I be able to get some statistics. Still on vacation here, and in 2016 there was 1,350 murders. In 2017, you managed to knock off another 1,606, and surprisingly, in 2018, 797 murders up to August 11th. I mean, don't get me wrong again, the outsider here, but people, come on now. This is too high. Even if you had 200 murders, it would be too high. Too high. Get me? Too high. Okay. So, looking here, I came and saw a doctor, heard about a Dr. Herbert Gale, and I did some research. And Dr. Gale has been telling you time and time again what are the root causes of the crime. And it's like the government or the leadership, they don't want to hear, they don't want to acknowledge, they do nothing about what is happening. Please, just take a look at what the man has to say. And there are other people at the different universities, there are other people in the society who, have a grasp on what is happening. So, if you can, eh? And last, I don't want to be seen as an outsider meddling in the business of Jamaica, but it's a beautiful island, I gave the name Natty Einstein and I like it, you know. So people, please, just get the crime under control, government and everybody else, and make Jamaica a nice place.